Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will discuss styling the 403 page. We'll cover what is a 403 page, how to add a custom 403 page to your project, and how to style it. The HTTP 403 Forbidden Response Status Code indicates that the server understands the request but refuses to authorize it. In Titan, we enable you to create a custom 403 page. When the 403 error occurs, the user will see the custom page instead of the default server error. Enable this option in Project Settings, Site Elements, Custom 403 Page. The page will be added to your project. You can get to the page by clicking on the Settings icon or from within the Pages menu. You will then see an open strip where you can create your own design freely. You can add elements such as images, text, or links. You can style the strip and, for example, give it a background fill. And that is how it's done.